This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the clip and confirming frame rate and aspect ratio. This prevents later color shifts. Open scopes like waveform and histogram so you can judge exposure rather than guess. First, adjust exposure and contrast to place midtones and protect highlights, then pull shadows up slightly to recover detail. Next, correct white balance so neutral tones read neutral. This keeps skin tones realistic. Once done, make conservative moves so you retain headroom for the next, more precise steps. Now you refine tonal relationships using curves and color wheels. Pull an S-curve on the Luma curve to tighten contrast but keep highlights controlled. Separate RGB curve nudges correct color casts. Then use color wheels, lift for shadows, gamma for mids, gain for highlights, to sculpt temperature and tint across ranges, checking skin tones on the vector scope. Increase or decrease saturation modestly. If colors clip on the waveform, dial back. Make small iterative moves and toggle the correction on and off to evaluate improvement. For the final pass, handle local issues with masks or the brush tool, track faces or skies and desaturate or warm them as needed, because global fixes can miss localized color shifts. If you want a consistent look, apply a LUT lightly and reduce its strength to blend. This creates stylization without clipping. Before exporting, reset scopes to Rec. 709 and confirm highlights and blacks are legal. Troubleshooting tip: if colors shift after export, check color management and ensure your monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.